Update 1. My wife's best friend contacted me and asked what had gone on, as apparently, my wife had told her only part of what happened. So I filled her in on all the gory details. To say she was shocked was an understatement. She proceeded to ask me what I planned to do, considering I was planning a trip to Paris for our anniversary later in the year. I stated that the trip wasn't going ahead, because of her actions at the theater. My darling wife still hasn't apologized for her actions/outburst. She still claims that she may have overreacted slightly, to her exact words. Beth promptly called my wife and put her on speakerphone. Beth then proceeded to tear her a new one and, to add insult to injury, spilled the beans about the proposed trip to Paris for our anniversary. My wife proceeded to gush, saying that she knew I'd get over it as I couldn't say no to her. Her happy mood disappeared when Beth informed her that I'd canceled the trip not 10 minutes ago. I've also spoken to a solicitor concerning a separation and eventual divorce. I recently renewed my passport, and when it arrived, my wife's first reaction was to ask if the trip to Paris was back on. I replied, or rather snapped back at her, that no, it wasn't back on and the possibility of it ever being planned again was virtually zero. She then proceeded to ask if that was the case and why did I bother renewing my passport. I replied by stating that I have almost 2 months of holiday time saved up from last year and this year.